Hey guys, good news. Back out in the field today. I got a couple service things for you. I went and picked up some equipment from a job where they're just not able to do the job at this time. But I have another job that's slated to get that equipment. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys a few things I'm doing today, and then tomorrow I'll be back out of town on that heat pump job out in the woods. So that should be fun. I'll get a bunch of good shots for you there. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC. We are back in the saddle. It is Tuesday, September 17th, 2024. Heading out to grab some equipment off of a job. I couldn't get my distributor to pick it up, so I'm going to go back and pick it up. They're not ready to do the project yet, so I'm going to go get it off the customer's property and get it into my shop. Where it's safe and dry, etc. So we're gonna go do that, and then I got a couple service calls. I got an AC that's down. Not sure what's going on there. Hopefully it's just a dirty filter, something easy. And then I have a maintenance on a furnace and an AC. They want to get their furnace checked out before the winter hits, and we're gonna check out their AC at the same time. So I'm gonna go do that. Just a quick intro this morning. We're back out with these ride-along videos. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I'll see you out the first stop. Okay, guys. So here we are at this maintenance job. So I cleaned this up. I just added AC to this furnace. Another company did this, but what was here before was a complete hack install. So I redid everything and made it look the way I'd want it to look. Cleaned it up the best I could. In my climate, we have to wrap our vent pipes and stuff. The only thing I don't like is it's been a year and a half since I installed the AC, and he said the filter hasn't been changed, so I'll have to run to the store and get one. On that first call, it was another dirty filter, and the guy's got a bad compressor on a ream. There was 2 helicopters there, so I couldn't get any video on it. But let's see what this filter looks like. She is caked, guys. So looking like this is one of the filter by ones I told him to get. December 9th of 2022 was the last time this was put in. So yeah, we're gonna have to go get him a filter. Let's go take a look at the AC real quick. It looks like somebody bumped it, so it's not even fully on the pad now. I'm gonna have to push that over. She's running good. I'm not gonna run it too much. It's real cool today again. Got my line hide there, so move that guy over. We'll go get him a filter, and then we'll get some temps. That's about all I'm gonna do on this one. Just want to show you something, guys, on this furnace. So like I said, I didn't install this furnace, but I had to jack it up to put this coil under it. So I cleaned everything up real good and nice. I would have liked to pipe that outside, but it's in this garage. It's fine. It's got plenty of combustion air, room for the combustion, so it's fine. But on these units, whenever you pipe your furnace condensate into your coil condensate, you need to have a T that rises higher than your outlet on your furnace. So I did that. I put a nice new flex in there. I think it turned out pretty nice. This is thick foam board here. That's gives you a higher R value in our cold climate. I put one of my easy traps in there like I always do. I'll probably clean that out while I'm here. And but I hate doing too much on a newer system. I'm gonna check my temps. I checked the gas pressures on this last time I was here, and it was fine. I did a maintenance here about a year ago, so we're okay. But you can see when I put my new duct in, I cookied it all real good, sealed everything up. So let's go get that filter. We'll be back. All right, guys, I got the new filter installed. Let's turn this guy on to heat. Let's check some things out here. All right, guys, I got the heat jumpered inside, door back on. Got my meter here with my temp probe in the side. I just drilled into the side of the coil cabinet. That's fine. Let's turn the light on. So we're up to 94 and rising. Let's see what we get to. Let's see where it stabilizes. And I'll check and see what our temp rise is. Make sure we're good. All right, so this is a 2-stage furnace. So right now we're at about 103 and rising. This is only first stage. We're going to call it 104. Let's see what our return is. That's still rising. Hold on a second. Yeah, about 104. So let's see what our return is. First stage. All right, return air is about 74, so that'd be about 100, be about a 30-degree split. Let's see what it calls for on the first stage heat. All right, looking at our rating plate here on this Carrier Bryant unit. It is a 59TN6A060 V171114. Looks like it was made in June of 2014. So this furnace is a little older than I thought it was, but whatever. So on low stage, 30 to 60. So we're right there. I bet you if I'd have kept my probe in the supply, it'd have been above that. So we're good. We're good there. Let's check our high stage. High stage is 35 to 65. Let's see what she is. Alright guys, second stage. So we're about 106.8, 107 and rising. So we're good. We're within specs. I was almost thinking about slowing the blower speed down, but you know, I think this thing's been running for 10 years the way it's at. It's probably fine. You know, this is an older couple. They have carbon monoxide detectors and stuff in the house, so there's no issues there. Yeah, I'm gonna give this thing a clean bill of health. I did a combustion analysis on it last year, so we're good there. I don't feel the need to do it on a yearly basis. But when I come back next year, I'll do it again. But yeah, let's flip her into cooling. Like I said, I don't do much on these. I don't like to fix what's not broken. The thing's very clean. You know, the burners are clean. Look at the kit inside the cabinet; it's really clean. So got a nice clean filter in there. Let's get some temps on the AC side and get out of here. All right, guys, I got her back leveled up on my pad here. I think at the time I couldn't get a 36 by 36 that day, so I went with a 32 by 32, which, you know, it barely fits it on there, but it's fine. And then this line height had fallen down a little bit too, so I fixed that up. I don't really like this stuff that close to it, but I'm not going to mess with their cinder blocks there. And you know, we got a good 10 inches off the wall here, so we're good. Coil looks clean. Like I said, this thing's less than 2 years old, so yeah. As soon as I finish up the heating side here, I'm going to turn the AC back on, and I'm going to get some temps in the AC side and call her good. I don't do much on these when these systems aren't that old. And like I said, I just looked at the furnace last year, so. All right, guys, pulling on out of here. I didn't get any shots of the air conditioning side. Not really that interesting, but they're happy. So this is an older couple that you know, they just want somebody regular. They were using the larger company before, and they were kind of screwing them. So you know, as a small one-man band, I try to treat it more like family. That's what I always do, and it seems to serve me well, as they're very loyal to me, and you know, in turn, I'm very loyal to them. So that's a wrap on today. You know, it didn't seem like I did much today, but I did do quite a bit. I got some loose ends taken care of I wanted to take care of. Tomorrow I'm headed back out into that out-of-town job to finish up that heat pump, so I should have some pretty cool shots on that tomorrow, wrapping it up. It's probably going to be a long day out there. I'm staying overnight again in town because it's just too much. It's, you know, it's 2 hours, work a full day, and then another 2 hours to drive back, and I'm just not that type of guy to want to have a long day like that anymore. So, you know, I got the bed and breakfast in town I can stay at, which is cool, and you know, enjoy life, enjoy my evening with a few cold beverages, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's a wrap, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and you know, hopefully we can get some more interesting shots for you. Thanks, guys. All right, back of the truck's full. I got all the equipment from that other job. Let me show you what I got here. All right, guys, I already have a spot going out. Sorry, a job spotted out for this equipment that I just pulled out. So it's another, it's a BOVD 36HDN1-M20G Bosch connected. They're all connected now, so this will have the app where I can monitor the system. And then the my standard BVA 36 M20 air handler, constant torque air handler. I got my 10 kW heat strips there. this job had a bunch of line hide stuff I had to do, so I ordered up a salad mishmash of line hide fittings, 4-inch, that I'm just going to put back in my my tub, my stock in there. And then a whole other box of 4-inch line hide, a couple extra pieces. I think I got so there's 6 comes in a box. I think I got 8 lengths there, so I'll just restock. I got a bunch more stock over there. So another 3/4 3/8 line set. I need to take that with me to the out of town job, so I'm going to load that on the truck in case I need a little extra. I might be a little bit short. And then my base can for that air handler, and a couple more of the heat pump, the star pads that I like to use. So yeah, things are moving on. This job's going to go out in probably a week or two, and then I'll have the content for you tomorrow, guys. So I'm gonna have a lot of good install and service stuff daily, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So I'll see you on the next one.